Welcome. If you've ever come across a post on Instagram that you wanted to save for later but didn't want to add it to your regular saved collection, there's a new feature just for you. Today, I'll show you how to add a post to your interested list on Instagram, updated for 2025. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're in, start scrolling through your feed or head over to the Explore page. You'll find all sorts of posts, photos, videos, and reels that catch your eye. When you spot something you'd like to revisit later, tap on the three dots in the top right corner of the post. These three dots open up a menu with several options. Take a moment to look through the list. You'll see choices like Report, Not Interested, Copy Link, and now a new option called Interested. Tap on Interested. Instantly, that post is added to your interested list. This is a private list, so only you can see what you've added. It's perfect for keeping track of posts you want to check out again, whether it's a recipe, a travel destination, or a product you're thinking about buying. To view your interested list later, just go to your profile and tap on the menu icon in the top right corner. Look for the section labeled Interested. Here you'll find all the posts you've marked, neatly organized for you to browse anytime. That's all there is to it. With this new feature, Instagram makes it easier than ever to keep track of the content that matters to you, without cluttering your main saved folder. Try it out the next time you see something you want to remember. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and updates. See you in the next video.